Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you were making money today and that you made a lot of money this week. Is the final month of the year, and hopefully you made some money this year despite all the challenges. As usual, subscribe if you are just passing by and you are new to this channel. Subscribe so that you get notified of future videos when we post. Like this video. That's the only thing I'll ever ask you to do. Trust me, you don't pay for anything. I don't ask you to pay for anything. It's just your like. Just like the videos and subscribe. That's all that I'll ask of you. If you are looking for forex robots, forex indicators, forex systems and stuff like that, you can always visit the two blogs. Links are in the description box below, and see if you cannot find what you're looking for there. There are pages and pages of content on those blogs, so just go through them and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Okay, so what you're looking at is a system that I am developing. I'm testing it out. That's why it's in a micro account. I previously said I don't enjoy testing things on demo. So what I do is my broker offers a micro account which I usually use to test systems. This is actually a friend's account that I've taken over so I can test this system because some of you will love scalping, some of you don't like trading the higher time frames, and the systems that I previously shared and the strategy that I previously shared had to do with higher time frames and basically swing trading. And some of you don't like that. You just enjoy scalping, getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out. So I decided, let me just address some of you guys and develop a system towards that. So this system is still in testing, but it's a simple system. It will have everything that you might need, including the info plus as well as the calendar in the corner there. Yeah, tell me if you want this system, if you want to test it by yourself. Of course, I can test it for 10 years and it's not going to be like 100% or 100%. So maybe you can also help the process by testing it out for yourself and giving some feedback. So tell me if it's something that you probably want me to do, just to release the system as it is and everyone can test it on their own. Obviously then I'll need then to do a video on some of the rules and some of the observations that I've made using the system. So yeah, I'm still testing. I haven't completed testing yet, but if you want to test the system for scalpers, lower time frames, I've been using it on the 15 and the 5-minute and I think 30-minute time frame. I think that was the highest that I've used it on. So mostly on 15-minute, and it has been fairly profitable. So yeah, tell me if it's something that you want to test at this point, then I can release it. Then everyone can test it out and find out for themselves if it works or if it doesn't. Okay, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, like the video, visit the blogs for downloads, watch the video.